Hello, Rachel.
Hey, Kathy. Hey, everyone out there.
What a busy day you've had today.
My hair is just coming out of my head. I've been running around like crazy, but it's been fun because I've had a bride and a mom and a prom young lady, and Body Essentials has been busy. But I wanted to tell you that if Saturdays don't work for bridal appointments, Sundays can work too because we're open 10 to 4. So you want to set your appointments up, and we also do customized timing. If you need to come later, just give us a call. We set up private appointments if you need to.
So come on in. Sundays, give us a call. I know tomorrow we've got some people, or maybe it's today actually, you're seeing this on a Sunday. We're kind of booked up today, but call for future Sundays, and we can help you out.
Yes, it'd be a lot of fun. So brides, if you want to make an appointment, I know a lot of you have August and October weddings for 2014. Those are 2 big months, so people start planning now before crunch time comes. So.
Sounds good. And tomorrow we'll show you another dress.
Yes.
See you soon.
Later.